Welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to make a canvas from Sublimation. Something easy that you could use for a date night, or if you want to have a girls' night, a little wine and paint. Simple. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video, because you should be subscribed by now. I've given you enough, haven't I? For this project, we are going to be using a simple canvas. Got it from the $1.25 tree. And we're going to be using sublimation paper. I'm going to be using this sublimation paper. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It is what, 8.5 by 14, and it was pretty expensive, $23. But you get a lot of sheets and you can make many projects with this. So we're going to be using simply sublimation paper and the canvas. And of course, you should probably use a heat press. If you have, I don't know if you can earn this on. I'm not gonna lie to you. I wouldn't do it, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm not judging. I'm going to be using my heat press. I have it preheating to 400 degrees. And so now we're gonna head over to ChatGPT so that they can create the design for you. And I'm gonna show you how. We're gonna open the ChatGPT app and we are going to upload the photo we wanna use. And then the prompt we're gonna use is create an outline image for a canvas for painting. This is how mine came out. If you wanna tweak it, of course, you can ask Chat to change it to whatever you want it to look like, or add any details or take them away. It's especially easy if you have premium. Now you're going to hard press the photo and click Save to Photos. You then, if you have an iPhone, I don't know what it's like for an Android, you'll go over to your photos, click on it. And now what you're going to do is click the 3 lines at the top in the middle next to the photo. And then it's going to give you the option to click Prop. You're going to click Prop, click the 2 triangles at the top left, and then that is going to allow you to flip your photo around. And now you have your mirrored image. Now I can wirelessly print to my sublimation printer from my phone. Okay, now we have our photo for our canvas. Couldn't tell you why it came out brown, but that's neither here nor there because we're using it regardless. Let's go over to the heat press. All right, as you can see, we have our heat press at 400 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and lay this canvas down. We have our photo here. We're just going to place this upside down onto our canvas. I wanted to make it as big as I possibly could so it could be nice and centered. I'm sure if I did it landscape, I could have probably, I don't know. The way that the picture is, I think this might be the best we're gonna get. And this canvas is actually an 11 by 14, so we're gonna do the best we can with what we got. So, now that I have this on here, in order for it not to bleed out, we're just gonna go ahead and put a piece of parchment paper right over top of this photo. I'm gonna straighten it back out here. Try to get it as close to the middle as possible on both sides. I don't want it to come off uneven. That's good enough. Just gonna put this over top of the photo. And now we're gonna press this down for 30 seconds. Okay, now we are done here. I'm not gonna take my image off right away because I wanna give it a little bit of time and I don't want it to, ghost. My friend Heather taught me that. So I am going to take heed to what she told me, and it's been working good for me so far. So we're just gonna wait a minute and then we'll take it off. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I actually pressed this for 60 seconds the first time. I'm gonna do another 30 seconds just to make sure that the image is on. I don't know, my mind is crazy like that, but I just wanna make sure. Okay, we've had it sitting for a while. We're gonna take this off and see what we have. And this is the final product. I love the way this came out. It's absolutely beautiful. You could use this for ladies' nights. date nights. You know, have your little wine and a little food, paint, have your good time. All you gotta do is buy some little easels from the Dollar Tree and you'll be all good to go. I appreciate you guys for joining me for another Tutorial Tuesday video. And I hope that this video gave you the confidence to do something amazing with sublimation. If you like this video, share this video. And comment down below and let me know what else you'd like to see from me. And I'll see you in the next one.